Alright, welcome back to my channel, everybody. We are on White Bear Lake. We're gonna get to fishing late in the afternoon here. So it's about like 3 o'clock ish, I believe. So yeah, I'll catch you when I get to my first spot, and yeah, let's get rolling. Let's go. First hook set.
Finally, first bass of the season on the fuzzy. You could pull flip him.
Yeah, let's go. First bass of the season.
Nice bass.
Thank you. First fish. We're gonna let him go. Bye-bye, mama. That was fun fighting. I think he was gonna bite it. All right, guys, we are back. We forgot the trolling motor battery, so we had to run back to the launch real quick. But we are on the north side of White Bear Lake now, so yeah, we're gonna get to it and try to get some bass in this cold front weather. And yeah, sorry for the sniffling. I am nose running right now, so. And this is the lake I lost my phone too. Yeah, so we are using the Koiki, oh not Koiki, this is not Koiki. This is a Strike King dice bait with the, what kind of hook is this? The core tackle? Yep, core tackle, wacky shot hooks, the small version, and it seems to work out great. I mean, I got a fish earlier, so. Oh, you're taking a snap off?
Yeah, this snap is driving me crazy.
I think I might just start throwing a jig, but I don't know what I have on my NRX. Let me just switch out for a second, because we're not deep no more, huh?
No.
Okay, I'll try it. Tie up real quick. Oh, I was gonna snip that. I have a snap on it.
Now it looks better.
Looks
now
better?
I can swim better.
Yeah, sometimes snaps, they hinder the how it flows. Right. Which color? Get out. Which color?
The green.
This one?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, the water's pretty clear, dude.
Okay, green shadow right. Here we go. Oh, no.
Got him. That or no?
Yep, that. Let's go. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Oh.
You know what? I'm gonna try.
That was fun.
I'm gonna try.
Let's go, baby.
I never.
Okay. All right. Probably like a, see about like a 2-pounder. Nice size. We're gonna let him go so he can heal. Thank you for playing, girlfriend. Go back to your house. Bye. That was fun. I'm gonna go back to spinning. I don't know, that's where we're going though. Usually this guy has his springs on. Oh, missed one. Oh, perfect. Nope, I got one. I got one. Get off. He's gonna break me off. He's gonna break me off.
Reverse.
Oh, no, right. He's coming up, Oh,
That's close to. That's a high 4.
oh, shit.
Actually 3.
Great whiskey doesn't get
It's always the whiskey. Whiskey fixes everything.
Okay, we're gonna weigh him. This is more heavy.
Right here.
2 pounder, 3 pounder.
212.
212.
212.
Not bad. Okay. All right, we'll get this baby released. Thanks for fighting. Dude, that was such a perfect spot, dude. I was like, dude, I got a fish, I got a fish. Hey, just turns on the master. Right there. They curve. Chase them? I don't want to spook them though, too. This is too deep now. I don't know where they are.
Got him?
Yep, got him. Net.
Oh shit, net stuck.
Take your time. Ooh. This side. This side. There we go. Another one.
It dies.
Whoa! He was barely hooked.
On the dice.
All right, another big mama. Back to the waters. Thank you for playing. I'm not trying to get in the water. Go, just go. Okay. You don't have to put me up there. What's up, everybody? We are finally done with the fishing day. It was a short day, so yeah, bear with me with my sniffling, and we are all packed up and ready to go on our next adventure, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.